गर्ल इज इन द आयसीयू. ताजे कांयच प्लेसीन ना. ताजे ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, ब्रेन क्लॉट जालो आसा, ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, काय ताजे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा. ताजी छाती, रिब्स तांचो पिडो जाल्लो आसा. लिव्हर आसता, जस्ट इमॅजिन मल्टिपल ऑर्गन फेलियर जाल्ले त्या भुरग्याक. जो लिव्हर आसता पळय हांगा, तो लिव्हर खंय हांगा येयला रिब्सां कडेन वयर, आनी तो लिव्हर खंय सर्जरी करपाक म्हूण सकल हाडपाक गेल्यार खंय दोन्ही किडनी त्या चलयेच्यो फेल जाल्या. बोथ द किडनीज आर गॉन, ऑर्गन फेलियर. वॉट यू एक्सपेक्ट हर टू लिव्ह नाव? सेकंडली ताजे खंय टॉर्सो गेला, ताजे खंय पांयाचे खंय हाडां 3-3 कुडके जाल्यात. ताजे कांयच ना लायफ.
4-5 दिसा फाटीं चिकाळी जंक्शन वाठारांत एक भयंकर हिट एंड रन अपघात जाल्लो. बरे वेगान येवन एका गाडयेन कुत्र्याक भोंवपाक घेवन गेल्ल्या एका चलयेचेर धडक दिल्ली. ही धडक इतली जबर आशिल्ली त्या कुत्र्याक जाग्यारूच मरण आयिल्लें. तर ती चली जबर जखमी जावन सद्याक आपल्या जिवाक लागून हॉस्पिटलांत झुजता. त्या चलयेची परिस्थिती नाजूक आसा. मात अजून गाडयेन धडक दिवपी संशयिताक अटक जाल्ली ना. ताचेर अजून कारवाय कित्याक जावना याच संबंधान चौकशी करपाक समाज कार्यकर्ता ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा कुतिनो त्या जखमी चलयेच्या घरच्या वांगडा वास्को पोलीस स्टेशनार गेली. संशयीत आसा ताका ताबडतोब अटक करची, तशेंच जी कितें कारवाय करपा जाय ती बेगीन करची अशी तांची मागणी आसा.
One speeding car came and dashed her badly, in which the dog died on the spot, and she is critically injured. Her both legs, both her hands, internal organs are damaged, and she is battling for life in GMC. I request CM and police to take this case seriously and give us justice as soon as possible. Not to come and ask how is she, because we have seen her struggling, we have seen her screams, the way she was screaming. They didn't even have any courtesy to come and see what she was going through.
Nobody from the culprit's family has approached us till now to check how my sister is doing. Yesterday and today also, the culprit's wife was here and she did not make any effort to ask how she is doing or anything like that. Nobody came to the hospital and the culprit was not arrested since Friday. Today he just came to get the bail, nothing else was done. Then yesterday I came to the police station to inquire about what the progress about this accident and also see what if the report is filed or not. I spoke to Constable Damodar and he told me to write an application and I will get the report copy. So when he presented the report copy, I saw that there was no mention of my dog, and I asked him why it was not mentioned. He just got angry and started scolding at me. He asked me, don't talk too much, and then he directly asked me, in whose support are you speaking? So I do not understand what he meant by that, in whose support you are speaking. I came justice. Whole family is suffering. My sister is battling for life. That we have not eaten and slept properly for last 3-4 days. And
हांव मागता कितें ते चेडवाक जस्टीस मेळपा आनी पुलिसांक जी रीत ना ती रीत धरून उलोवपाक एक चेडू मनशा मुखार कितकोन उलोवपाक जाय ते. एंड इट इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी वेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ वुमन, टॉक विथ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट.
So I'm saying she should get justice. She should get justice. I mean, it's a humanity. What we just ask for, humanity, and I think we should follow rules. Even if you have not followed rules, but there is something called as sympathize with the family, come to see them. Some responsibility is there, it's not there. Okay, coming to the point when it comes to the DSPCA, yes, we are filing a complaint with the Prevention of Animal Cruelty, and they will follow their protocol as per their rules very shortly.
From nowhere it seems somebody comes rash driving, circle ram. I know he over speeding that he God knows whether he was flying, or God knows whether he thought that he was flying a jet and he was in the space or something. I know असले रॅम्प मारले खंय की ते खंय कुत्र्याक घेवन आशिल्ली यांची भयण राणी. ही वॉज विथ द डॉग. शी वेंट ऑन द डॉग एंड ऑन राणी without having any mercy. फटा करून. That the dog is fully damaged, brain damage down. Dog Sophie died on the spot. Their pet died on the spot. Secondly, go to see आमची भयण राणी कावार सारकेंच इतलें हें जालें खंय that people saw what is happening now. The dog is lying there, blood in the pool of blood. This lady is flapping herself. It's like she's almost gone. People saw it seems, but go to see this fellow it seems. हांकां मारले आनी मुखार गेले खंय आनी 2 टॅक्सी. एक अर्टिगा गाडयेक मारले खंय आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते टॅक्सीक मारले खंय. आमचे कडेन विटनसी आसा, ते सगळे आसा. रॅश ड्रायव्हिंग जाता म्हूण लोक सगळो एकठांय जालो खंय. ते एचडीएफसी कडेन खंय तरी तर लोक एकठांय जालो आनी खंय तरी एक चाय दुकान हें ना कॅफे इज दे कॅफे. सो दॅट one of the girl who is working or boy working knows him, called up and said, it seems, Ari Rani, your sister is dying here. There's a bad accident and it looks like your dog is dead. He's died. He rushed to the place. It seems people didn't wait for ambulance and all. एका दोन लोकांनी हातायलो लोकांनी कित्याक धांवून वतालो मारला ते मारल्या एक्सिडेंट ओके वी अंडरस्टँड इट इज नॉट डेलिबरेटली डन वी डोंट हॅव एनिथिंग अगेन्स्ट देम पर्सनली accidents happen but then where is humanity gone you are killing them and you are running from the spot and then going further and trying to throw another two people तू खंयचो रे तू कोण रे कोणाच्या इन्फ्लुएन्साचेर नासता रे आनी मागीर खंय हेज्या भयणीक वेळे चिकाली हॉस्पिटलान वेल्यार कळ्ळें खंय क्रिटिकल हेजेर आनी कांय जावपाना उरपाना म्हूण सांगलें आनी GMCत शिफ्ट केलें आतां तुमकां एक सांगता कित्याक वायट दिसता and today you know what when we went to the hospital what we come to know the girl is in the ICU ताजे कांयच प्लेसीन ना ताजे ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला ब्रेन क्लॉथ जालो आसा ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला स्कॅल्प ताजे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा ताजी छाती रिब्स तांचो पिडो जाल्लो आसा लिवर आसता जस्ट इमॅजीन मल्टिपल ऑर्गन फेलियर जाल्ले त्या भुरग्याक जो लिवर आसता पळय हांगा तो लिवर खंय हांगा येयला रिब्सां कडेन वयर आनी तो लिवर खंय सर्जरी करपाक म्हूण सकल हाडपाक गेल्यार खंय दोनूय किडनी त्या चलयेच्यो फेल जाल्या बोथ द किडनीज आर गॉन ऑर्गन फेलियर वॉट यू एक्सपेक्ट हर टू लीव नाव सेकंडली ताजो खंय टॉर्सो गेला ताजे खंय पांयाचे खंय हाडाक 3 कुडके जाल्यात ताजें कांयच ना लायफाक आनी वर्स म्हणटा ते रडटा बॉब मारून रडटा ताजें जायना ताजें डिसलोकेशन जाल्लें आसा खंय दोनूय हिप्स डिसलोकेट जाल्या ताजे खंय जॉ देखून डिसमेंटल जाला जॉ डिसमेंटल जाला म्हणून खंय आतां ते बॉब मारता ताजें जायना म्हणून खंय ताजें वॉट ताजें टांग आनी जॉ खंय शिवला जस्ट इमॅजीन वॉट वॉज अ मिस्टेक वॉट शी हॅड डन वॉट क्रायम शी हॅड डन एंड द ब्लडी पर्सन हू हॅज कमिटेड अ क्रायम इज नायसली कमिंग विथ हिज वायफ आय डोंट नो वॉट्स रॉंग विथ पुलीस आय डोंट नो पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट कितें जालां बट आय थिंक लॉ अँड ऑर्डर ओनली हॅज कॉलेप्स सेकंडली म्हणटा ते पुलिसाचें कितें आसता एक भाव ताजी भयण ती 99% काबार जाल्ली आसा सगळे पार्ट्स डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा ताज्यो भयण्यो तुज्या दारान येवन बसता हॉस्पिटलांत वचपाचे सुवातेर हांगा येवन तांचो टायम वेस्ट जावपा लागला आनी यू ऑल आर नॉट बींग सिम्पथायझींग ना कांय ना उलयन तांकां सुबेज उलयता कोणाचो पावराचेर उलयता अरे तुजी भयण मरताली जाल्यार तूं असो तुजे कडेन कोणें उलयलें जाल्यार तुका बरें दिसपाचें म्हाका दिसता तुजी बॉल्सां भरिल्लीं आसा म्हणून तूं म्हजे कडेन हांसून उलयता 100 लोक आसा थंय 100 लोक This why they are crying, man? Why these youth cousins, sisters are crying? And madam sang. Kide? CM, how tuka sangta Pramod Sawant. This is nothing politics. This is about justice. If this has been sent like this, I have heard there are some people involved, and they are talking. It seems you are not bothered about any sanstha. He belongs to some club. It seems. त्या क्लबातलो लोक फोन मारून जाता काही तो बरो मनीस रे आमचा फ्रेंड सगळे आसता बरे आयज तोय बरो आयज तेय बरे हांवूय बरें पूण समज म्हज्या हातींतल्यान कितें गुन्यांव जाला हांवें कितें रॉंग केलां हांवें जबाबदारी घेवपाक जाय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय आतां फाल्यां ती चली समज गेली म्हणून 12 दीस करतले असलो ते ना आतां समज ते तशेंच कॅपेज जावन घरा आयले मागीर कितें सो आय वॉन्ट उल्हास नायक केस चालू आसतली रॅशन नेग्लिजन्स केल्या तुवें बेल दिला तुवें कंपेन्सेशन कितें म्हणटा तें दिवपाक जाय यू हॅव आय एम मेकिंग अ पॉयंट दॅट ही हॅज टू see that he has to clear the bills because life gone, life not taken back. She's a cabbage now, we'll not get her back. Normal, her life is gone. You have damaged. So the Shirapani कित्याक घेता कितें तरी कर आमकां we are only awaiting for justice.